He's got a bug in his ear, man.
Want me to get you a Q-tip?
Ah! Get the fuck out of my ear!
It's gonna start eating your brain, Dad. Better be careful.
Get it the fuck out!
You guys got some tweezers or something? Fucking.
Want me to get you a Q-tip?
Ah!
He's taking over his brain.
Yes, give me a Q-tip. Ah! Ah!
You get a piece of him?
Videotape him?
Yeah, this is too fucking good, dude. You can't pass up moments like this.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
I couldn't find
They're in your bathroom underneath.
Use this one.
What? A fucking toothbrush.
They're in your bathroom. They're in your sink underneath the.
Fucking toothbrush. He just shove a toothbrush in his ear.
Get the fuck out of my ear.
There you go.
Ah! Ah!
I need to call the ambulance. How did you get a bug in his ear in the first place?
Just flew in.
We're so pushing this.
Oh, this is not fucking cool. This is not fucking cool at all.
Come on, Larry, come on. Don't waste a second of this crap.
Where's my lighter? God damn it.
Christian, hit the third switch over there.
Third switch?
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Got it?
Motherfucker, no. No. Ah, he won't die.
He won't.
I am back on to bed tonight.
Ah,
What the fuck is that?
did you see him?
He's right there.
That fucking thing was in my fucking ear.
God damn, that was fucking good. That was awesome.
Be prepared, Dad.
I've never fucking had anything like that
Be
ever in me,
prepared,
ever.
Dad. Watch your friends shoot up above the sky. Even God won't be able to see it.
I feel contaminated.
Contaminated.
Oh, look at this. Is that blood?
Yep.
Insects don't have blood.
Go put some fucking peroxide or alcohol on a fucking tip and clean it out, man.
You need tranquilizer.
Go give me another one, son. Go give me another one.